Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I just did a little bit of organizing and breaking things down a little bit to get rid of all the excess and to protect some things. So I found while I was going through my first aid stuff that one of the boxes of the the gauze pads had been busted, and they're the ones that are in the paper. So I wanted to make sure that nothing contaminated or got on them or anything like that. So I vacuum sealed them for now. One box per package here. So I had 2 boxes and I vacuum sealed 2 of those for right now, just to keep them protected until I need them, and then will probably put them in a Ziploc bag once I open up the container, the vacuum sealing. So, and then in my inhalers there was some moisture pellet stuff. So I vacuum sealed that because I'm not going to use it right now. So there's 3 packets. I wanted to make sure that they didn't, bring in any moisture until I need them. So I vacuum sealed those just to, I got them, so I might as well save them up. And then I had some Mucinex and some other cold day NyQuil kind of generic stuff. But they come with, these here come with 2 squares in the center that don't have anything in them. They're just blank. So what I did to conserve space is that I took out the middle piece that didn't have any of the medication in it. And then I rounded the corners so they weren't any sharp corners. So then that breaks down to even smaller now, and it will be put into similar to a Ziploc bag. I know that that kind of brand is branded, but whatever. And then these also had a square that wasn't used, so I took that out and rounded the corners again. As you can see on this one, not always the best way of rounding it, but it will do. It just won't puncture the bag that way. And then the NyQuil, or the nighttime ones, come with a separate section. So, or maybe it was attached like this. I can't really remember. And then there was an empty square. So I just took out the empty square, separated the 2 night times from the daytimes, and then eliminated that one that wasn't being used, rounded the corners. So that way it's a little bit more condensed. I don't have the box with all that extra space, plus the ones that don't have any medication in it. So that's all that way. And then I had some inhalers that I was taken off of, and they had given me like a few months supply of them, so I vacuum sealed those. And the nice thing about these is they have, with this cap here for the mouthpiece, it stops this from going down. So but when I vacuum seal them, I always try to vacuum seal them with the bottom, or the part with the medication right there, so that way I can hold it back so it doesn't get sucked in all the way and push it down, because this one could do that because it doesn't have that feature. So that's what I try to do. But as you can see, I vacuum sealed this one from the top, so I just had to really hold it to make sure it didn't suck in and push that down. But I find that it's an easier way than that way nothing can happen to them. It can't get anything in them, and they stay fresh and clean until I need them. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did today. I didn't do much. It's pretty hot here the last few days, so I've been pretty wiped out, and I had a really bad dystonic storm last night, so throughout the night, and it lasted a very long time. So I'm pretty wiped out, so I didn't get a whole lot done. But anyways, that's what I got done. Anyways, I still try to do something. And yeah, anyways, May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.